just done a bit of shopping. I will show you guys what I've got, but first I'm gonna show you my room. Let's keep it down low. I can't give you a really good overview because this is shared, so I don't want to give it away. This is the corridor. Oh. 여기서. 그러니까 여기서 So we're in my room now. Ugh. So this is what the back of the door looks like. It's in Korean. I think it's telling you fire exits. That gave me the hint. So I have this small window in my room, which I'm kind of fine about, to be fair. So let's start off with the cupboard. So I just have a plain cupboard there, small cupboard here, like stone cream, bits and bobs in there. We go down, I've got my mirror, pencil case, medication, English money, you never know, my book, some gifts from my pen pal, my makeup. Then I have a mini fridge, I think was so cute. They're mainly gifts from my pen pal. Oh, I forgot I put this little cup of water in there so I could have cold water. Oh, 맛있겠다. So that's what my fridge looks like. This is my little desk study area. All of my documents. Got a little stool, charger leads and cables. And we go up here. Got my panorama camera, and then I've got some Korean books, some Seoul maps, spare bag up there, and my tablet. Granola for my friend. And then up here, spare bags, Korean money. Oops. So if we show you down here, this is what my bed looks like. It's really small and cute. I've already slept in it, even though I've only had... Sorry, I look awful as well. The temperature is like 34 degrees and it's 6:45, so I'm quite warm. And I've got no makeup on either. But I've already had a sleep. I went to sleep at 11 when I came here, AM. And I put an alarm on for 2:30, so I'd wake up and I had the day to explore. But then I muted that alarm when it went off and I woke up at 5. So, but I've tested it and it's cute and comfy. I'll show you what I bought in a second. And yeah, this is my bathroom. So it's just like a small ditty bathroom. Oh, and here's the shower and the sink. Cute little door. And then we have storage, which is this big cupboard in here. Got tops I'm most likely gonna wear, some dresses, and then we have underwear drawer. We have bottom drawer, and then we have tops, or tops I'm most likely not gonna wear because that's a jumper, and it's like 35 degrees, so I'm not gonna be doing that. But yeah, that's all to show you guys in my little room. It is small, but I did pay quite a reasonable price for it, so I'm not surprised by that, and I'm fine with that also. But yeah, I don't want to make this into a vlog, I just wanted to show you the room, so I didn't actually want to make this into a vlog. So I will do a vlog video after this video. and I'll put it together tonight and I'll get it uploading so you guys can see it while I'm over here. Yes, I'm gonna have some water and relax. Yum.